안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Are you staying warm this winter? It got colder here last week and I thought of you. So today, I want to share a spicy beef and radish soup recipe that can warm your body in this cold weather. It is called MaeUn, SoGoGi, MuGuk in Korean. For the main ingredients, we need the thinly sliced beef, SoGoGi, and washed mung bean sprout, sukju or soybean sprout, and these vegetables. Cut the Korean radish, mu, into some good-sized chunks like this. Also cut the green onions, pa, and red hot pepper, 홍고추. In a heated pot, brown the beef. Then next, add the radish, the sesame oil, 참기름, the soup soy sauce, 국간장, and the hot pepper powder, 고춧가루 to the pot. Fry for about 3 minutes on medium high. Pour the water, 물, into the pot. Once it starts to boil, season the soup with the minced garlic, 다진 마늘, and either fish sauce, 액젓, or soup soy sauce. Now cover the lid and cook it for about 12 minutes on medium high. If you need it, remove the foam on the surface of the soup with a spoon to get a clear broth. Put the mung bean sprout and the green onions. Bring it back to a boil and cook it for 8 more minutes. In this step, taste it and you can add some salt for your taste. Then finish cooking it. Enjoy this cozy and tasty soup with rice, kimchi, and other Korean side dishes. From our Korean Essence Etsy shop, you can pick your own Korean vegetable seed set or various vegetable seed set that I already pre-picked for you. You can also buy individual seed packs from our 22 different kinds of Korean vegetable seed. Please check out our Etsy shop and prepare for your spring garden. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.